This is Bob Vining's Gilbert Skyflash from the early 60s. It's a plastic, ready-to-fly control line airplane, and it's powered by a Gilbert Thunderhead engine. And I consider these engines to be some of the most steampunk type engines you could ever want to look at. Check out the cool Buck Rogers type exhausts. Bob installed these pilots, which I have a fondness for because they were the type that you often encountered in the old scientific kits. Really, really classic looking airplane. Let me move my primer out of the way. This coming summer, the Central Illinois RC Society is going to have a control line day, and I intend to take a bunch of plastic ready-to-fly control liners and fly them from their beautiful paved runway they have up there. Hopefully we'll be allowed some calm winds to fly these things. I mean, this thing, you think a ready-to-fly plastic airplane is heavy. This poor thing is like the cement truck of ready-to-fly plastic airplanes. But it's so cool. I mean, look at this. Just kind of standoff scale of nothing in particular, but kind of everything at once. I just think it's cool as can be. So looking forward to flying it. Okay, that's Bob's Skyflash, made by Gilbert. I swapped out its other engine. Bob sent me this airplane to test fly along with a spare engine. The other one was even lower power than this one. This one's showing some promise. I intend to fly it this summer on probably 20-25 foot lines up at the SURS fly-in close to Champaign, Illinois. I'm going to make that entire trip. I'm going to title it The Classic Plastic. I'm going to take a bunch of ready-to-fly planes of assorted brands. That's control line plastic airplanes. And me and Jerry Worden and some other of the gang look to have a big time with them. And I'm really looking forward to that.